The 44 Magnum, Smith & Wesson model 629. After I reconditioned the metal, it is unloaded, but I polished it up. It is beautiful now. I also worked on the innards a little bit, smoothed them up a little bit. It shoots very smoothly. I'm still waiting on the grips that Smith & Wesson is going to send me, the Altamont wood grips, engraved wood grips with silver medallions. So this thing, it looks, like a new old stock, which is what it is. So this thing fits in your hand really well. And the trigger is great on it. It's empty. I just showed you it was empty. Very smooth. And then single action.